our $13 fireworks. I mean, it's still pretty pricey, but.
What's up, my bunnies? Happy 4th of July.
Yeah, can I hold her?
Sure. Evan, move. That's kind of cool. Kind of. Wait, are those the flower ones? Are those the flower ones? The flower thing?
Do you want to come sit over here by them?
Huh? No.
Yay! So many shows. They're so pretty.
Mom,
These are so
remember
pretty.
when Sheldon came over and bought a ton of big fireworks?
That was way better, I think. That one was cooler. Compared to all these other fireworks.
Look at the fireworks over there. They're all in.
People that are like, have like a certain, I don't know, authority to use them. Like shows.
Yeah, it used to be that way. No, I guess not. I don't know if I leave those in the box or not.
What is that?
They're not there. Snakes just.
Okay.
Oh, there's more.
Is it growing?
Yeah. Just put in a little box. Yeah. As Evan calls it, our $13. Our $13
Okay.
fireworks.
But that's lame.
Come down here and you see a great big ones going on all around.
Just build a fire out here in the road and roast some marshmallows.
Mom, I'm confused. So like, what fireworks are illegal?
Those big ones. Not
No,
like
those
professional.
are lame. Okay, do that.
You see some around the valley, you can see pretty good from where we're at all the way down. There's some fireworks. Looks like they're going on clear in Salt Lake from here.
There's still more.
Yeah, that's what we said.
Honestly, those over there, those big ones. Our fireworks are so cute.
Wait, not yet.
Oh, it's already
Okay,
a bit away.
it's okay. Okay.
Good morning, Lori.
This is,
She's ready to go to bed. It's like a sparkling.
hmm.
It's about as dark as it's going to get right now. They got a big street light on anyway. It just came on. So either way.
Oh my gosh. This one's cooler than the actual regular.
Oh, really?
A little bit. Okay. Ow, 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 ow. Ow. It's like actually touched me. Ew. Smoke.
The rest of those ones.
Yeah.
ones are like
Literally had a heart attack.
probably really tough.
But they thought someone had poisoned and they were so sure. And they took them for nothing. Look out there, buddy. Can you see all the way out there? All the way out there. There's like
That's kind of cool.
you can see
There's
the
a
road.
bigger.
But I'm sure there'll be plenty of fires reported.
Oh.
Biting me.
Oh, okay. It actually made the firework this time. There you go. Firework. Mm. You can't, I don't think you can really see my face, but bye my bunnies. Wait, but first, just look at the moon. Anyways, bye my bunnies.